Hey y'all, it's that time of year again. Well, a couple of the puppies are all snuggled in their beds, nice and warm. Stitch here has decided to wash my ear and my face, which, you know, it's typical. Jake's being mean, so his ass is going on the naughty list. Alright, haven't been around much. I've been around, but Jake's been out chasing Bambi's daddy and all their assorted creatures to put on the dinner table. So, oh man, what's been going on? Well, I'll tell you. Just got in 2 decal sheets from Slixx. The California Flash Duster and the California Flash 65 Plymouth. Thank you, Becky and Jean. They're available at Slixx. Actually, they've got quite a few coming back out. Also, let me see. The last count with MCW's new ENAMEL line is now up to 150 and growing literally by the day. Many thanks to my guest for coming up with the color for the Holy Grail kit that I showed, I think, in the last DVD or last video, Jake? Mm-hmm. Okay, so now I'm going to build my one, the one that I had back when I was young, dumb, and completely free of most responsibilities other than going to work every day and drinking myself stupid the next night. Okay, what else is shaking out here? Went and visited Mr. Pardini again. He absconded with several of my hard-earned retirement dollars. That's my fault. Just teasing. He had just gotten into 2 new collections, and I was able to pick up some kits that I've been looking for, plus picking up parts kits that we use to kit bash with some of the builds. Patreon channel is rolling along. We have a Pro Street 41 Chevy pickup that we're building right now, and certainly have a nice group of guys who are being very successful with their builds, going to shows, which right now isn't happening. Speaking of which, I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. It's festive. It's time. So I want to wish each and every one of you a very Merry Christmas and a blessed and Happy New Year. The only suggestion I have in these times is stay safe, keep your head up and on a swivel, and pay attention to what's going on around you. And God bless each and every one of you, your family, to my family, my friends, and my crew at Lone Wolf Custom Painting. Again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, love to each and every one of you, and to my customers, thank you from the bottom of my heart for your patronage, and I'll talk to you after the New Year. God bless y'all. Yo man, I'm out.